My name is Dr. Victor Craven. I'm a master surgeon who brought the world to a new age of medicine and medical procedures. I promise the world they'll always remember the name Craven. Since my death, it's been hard keeping that name immortal. But tonight, a group of young doctors have come to my beloved estate to preserve it. Perhaps they'll remember on a dark and stormy night. Here we have Dr. Barry Michaels, his fiancée Susan, and her sister Mary, as they foolishly drive, not knowing what awaits them. Will they make it with their lives? Who am I to ruin the fun?
It's chilly in here. Can we turn on the heater?
I'm afraid that's impossible, Mary. Susan's throat glands swell to the heat.
Well, may I...
Well, if it's too chilly, you can put on my coat.
Do all of your silly clothes have to smell like a hospital?
May I ask you a question? Why are we graced with her presence?
She's my sister, and I promised to be with her before the wedding. Can't you just picture the ceremony?
Yes, it's going to be wonderful.
What? What is it?
You look very beautiful tonight.
Please try to get along with my sister. This is just temporary.
I understand that. She's just, well...
My Barry, if I didn't know any better, I would say you were under the assumption that sound ceases to exist in the back.
Well, Mary, that's a matter of opinion, and you're correct. You don't know any better. She couldn't possibly understand the importance of our endeavor.
Oh, I beg to differ.
I think you're ignorant.
That's not true. She thinks it's really swell.
Oh yes, I'm very interested in Dr. Craven's goals and
It's
things.
Craven.
Oh yes, him too.
Oh, Mary... Oh, darn.
What did you do to the car now?
Mary, please.
It seems that we're almost out of gas. Oh, okay. Cliff's Gas, 2 miles. We'll just fill her up and be on our way.
It's really swell to know you have everything under control.
Oh, by all means, Mary. It's absolutely swell that your imposition is permitted by my fiancé.
No, the best part is you're marrying my sister.
I'm delighted that you are very polite and not a complete whore!
Barry!
What?
There's the service station.
Well, now, where's the gas station attendant?
Oh, I hate self-service.
Mary, why don't you go find yourself a man, ruin his life, and let us be? Hello?
Where are you going?
I'm gonna get us some help.
He'll be alright.
Maryland, please look at me. I am your sister, and he's my future husband. We can't be together always. Please stop bickering with him.
Oh, come on.
Maryland, I love him. We are getting married, and you have to accept that.
Hello? Is anyone here?
We, ran out of gas, and that's why we're here.
Help you with something?
Gas. Yes, gas. We need some, please.
Not from around here, are you?
No. We're on our way to Dr. Craven's mansion.
Craven, you say?
Yes. I'm sorry. I'm Dr. Barry Michaels. My colleagues and I are preserving Dr. Craven's mansion.
Us folks around here didn't trust him or approve what he did up at their house. They say he never slept and was obsessed with the supernatural.
It's pretty cold out, huh? How long have you worked at this filling station?
We shouldn't be out tonight. It's full moon.
What does that have to do with anything?
How much do you know about the man-wolf? Aren't you with someone?
What? Oh, yeah, they must have gone off to the bathroom. I'll just get them. Susan? Mary?
If you folks don't mind, I think you should be going now.
But we haven't paid for our gas.
No charge!
Beware!
Pardon?
On a dark and stormy night, when the dark beast scours, shall attack men when blooms the wolfbane flowers. Once bitten, your conscience may depart. When the full moon is bright, you are truly a wolf at heart. So continue on to the land that is foul. I'll tell you only this: beware the man-wolf's howl.
Barry, what is she talking about?
I don't know. Well, that's all very interesting, but we really must be going now.
Beware the man-wolf's howl. Full moon tonight. The man-wolf only changes when he sees into the eyes of his victim.
Barry, can we just please go?
It's all right, Susie, baby. Where'd she go? Come on, let's go.
Here's them boys from Hobo Jazz with the new song, I Ain't Gonna Give Nobody None of My Jelly Roll. Sing it, boys, sing it.
Please.
And that was Hobo Jazz with their song. Now stay tuned to KOQR, where the hits keep coming.